sir, sige, ma'am, gano'n. Yes, orientation pa lang po yan, pero magte-take down notes na tayo. It's my turn to introduce myself! Hi sir, hello classmates, good morning. I am Ruby Rosa Valdeverona, a filmmaker and a vlogger. I have my camera 2018 pa, pero parusa ginambal mo sir as a vlogger, syempre kinanglan ko isang muscles, kikabugat sang DSLR para kaptan ko siya kag mag-selfie. So I opted not to use actually my camera, instead I use my smartphone. And with the competition and advancement man sa YouTube, kinanglan gid namon nga as an influencer, kinanglan man sang client namon not just my personality to endorse their brand, but at the same time ang quality photos kay hindi na sa videos lang ga-compete subong, kundi pati na gid sa mga pictures kay as an influencer hindi lang YouTube pati Facebook kag Instagram ginaumpisahan ko naman sulod. And this time actually I was planning to go to school again sa doctoral naman, kaso hambal ko ka face to face na kag sa Gimaras ko tani plan tama to sermbal mo kag kabudlay daan mag-travel going to Gimaras happen lang din nag-cross man sa akong Facebook ang ad niya, oy open na ang photography. So ko sige maano pa nay since back to school from after 2008 ko na-graduate daw ka tanay ng buylo tanay. So para chill lang ang life. So photography ko anay, and I also graduated basic filmmaking sang 2017 pag dira gid nag-start nga okay, let's explore visual arts naman kay as a performer ang advice sa ako nga I could continue my filmmaking pero hire gid ako ng cinematographer, but this pandemic may time nga na-quarantine ako, kagrabe ang guilt ko kay nagkuha ko sa cinematographer. Di ko ako mismo kabalo na magamit sa akong camera. I don't have to hire others. Pero gusto ko man, gid kila kabudlay di maging all-in-one mo as an artist. So, pero lain gid man niya kung kabalo ko magamit. Kay I've been investing to my gadgets. Even small studio sa balay, pero hindi gigap mo kabalo magamit sa camera. So, kanugon sang kwarta nga ginagasto ko kung hindi ko man lang magamit. And amo na. Thank you. Hi, ma'am. Ka-plug ka, ma'am, sa imo nga gowns.
Sure.
Sa din ang imo. May Facebook page ka?
Yeah, I have a Facebook page. So if you want gowns or other wedding entourage, you can visit Gown Trends.
Ayun.
Gown Trends is my shop. That's all. Thank
Yay!
you.
Bye-bye! Yay, mga kabangmang! This is today. This is our first day of school. Tapos na kami kanina. Arto akong classmate niya doon. There. And I am inviting you all sa mga FRIDA on a Saturday. West is still accepting enrollees. Next week, ma-start gid officially ang aton nga first class kagina orientation pa lang kami. So I am inviting you all. These are my classmates. And we are having a class every Saturday, 8 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. noon time. No, half day lang siya, but there would be days that we will be spending the whole day together. So, there you go. Katula ka mo diri sa West, sa Research and Extension, ara sa building, second to the last building. Diri sa may back gate, that's the last building. So, diri siya, ang Research and Extension. So, there you go. And I hope mga kabangbang, sa atong pag-graduate by the end of the semester, I would be able to deliver great pictures of our clients, of our brand partners, as well as of myself. Wow! Okay, that's it for today. And I'll see you on our next class next week. Bye! Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!